What's up, guys? Cars Across Texas here today, and we're at the Twin Peaks here in like the Woodlands, Shenandoah area, and you join me in Corvette heaven. Look at all these vets, bro. We're one of many, but we're out here. There's a lot of cool cars here. There's a lot of cool cars, I'm sure, that are coming. The weather has finally cleared up after a very rainy morning, but we're here. The car is very dirty because we drove in the rain and everything like that, but let's take a look at what's here. Let me know what your favorite car in today's video is down in the comments below. Remember, shopcarsacrosstexas.com, ends of the puppets, 20% off, and let's get right to it. Alrighty, yes, I mentioned it already, but let me mention it once again. There's no shortage of Corvettes here. Hundreds of millions of them. Not really that many, but a whole lot. We got the homie pulling in the garage-built GTR. And right behind him, we have the Kia Stinger here, the Scorpion package. A pretty rare car out here. I mean, well, like 1 of 250 or so in the States. It's pretty crazy. I do like the Kia Stingers a lot. I want to wait until there's a little bit more aftermarket support for them, and maybe I'll get one at some point in my life. We got the red on red C7 Z06 drop top here. The red guts, the red outside. You got the little Z07 wing on it. It's pretty clean. And then also a C6 here. And I mean, is there a car that rocks white better than the C6? I'd be hard pressed to find a different answer. We have the silver Mark V Super here next to the matte black and purple 6th Gen Z01. Looking mighty fine, and she got Dr. Seuss on the carbon fiber part of the hood. We got the skirt Camaro rolling out. Sorry, officer, I thought you wanted to race. Me too. That thing sounds good. We got the Paxton Mustang rolling in. This thing sounded good. He had a pretty wicked little downshift on the way in. Let that Paxton blower sing. And then we got Elie in the GT500. They're going so soon. So we got the 911 Turbo S, but that's the least of my concerns right now. We have 1 Viper, 2 Viper, 3 Viper, 4. But look at this, man. The gray one looking good. I believe this is a Gen 2. And we got the Gen 4. And we get the Gen 5 in striker green. I love it. Such a vibrant color. And then we go on to this one. This one's the craziest one here. I believe this is a GTSR. Oh no, it's an ACR X from Viper Exchange. And this might have been one of the ones they used to set the record at the Nürburgring back when they did that. I can't remember, but I know they've had them. But look at this, man. This thing looks nuts. This thing is absolutely just crazy though, man. Look at this wing back here. Oh my goodness. So crazy. Sorry. And I love the plate. USA Power, baby. Yeehaw! So we have found Allie's one love at this car meet. The all blacked out Z01 1LE on the bead lock in the back. You love to see it, little tire setup and everything. That looks so good. Te gusta? Te gusta. Brother's rolling out. My twin. Color on this Audi. This thing is sick. I like that color a lot. Well, S5. Appreciate it. Little C7 drop top, Z06 rolling out. Using that eco mode. And we got a little F body as well. Damn, boy. This thing. Oh my God. This thing.
I saw yours on.
Oh, 392, 300. Oh, that's pretty clean. I love Evos, but I've never known anybody with even a slightly modded Evo where it runs reliably. Twin turbo Z28. Oh yeah. And I'm also like 90% sure this is father and son. Oh my gosh. Will Elie give it the gas? Oh my God, Elie, you're nuts. A little Stingray rolling out, I like that color. Oh, we got a Lambo rolling out, but the cops are right behind him. He was cool. He said he didn't want to break our view. Let me get the Gallardo rolling out. We got another HPC car rolling out. Little cammed 2-valve. I like the wheels. The biker boys rolling in. I like this one a lot. Oh, gangster. Another biker boy of a different kind. A different species. Huh? It died? Uh-oh. That's not good. Hey, there he goes. He got it rolling. I love it. It dies on him and he still just sends it. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Little American muscle. We got the C7 with the Aventador taillights followed by the old Bel Air. We got the Marble boy rolling in. He's not even here for the meet, he's just rolling. And then another fellow HPC car, C5Z. Supercharged Escalade. Oh, a Huracan. Another Z06. As I stated when we got here, Corvette heaven. Little octane red wide body 392. That's looking good. I want this. I want a truck. Look how clean this thing is. Got a GT350. And then a C6 Z06. Ooh, baby. I'll be getting me one soon. Maybe. If the Z06 sells. Oh yeah, bro. Austin Mustang rolling out as well. LS9 swap. Look at the door handle. If this goes to auction like a Mecum or something, this is like a $250,000 sale. The crazy modified Escalade is rolling out. I gotta be skedaddling here soon. I don't want to be caught in the rain in the Z06. No. Okay. I'm about to leave, but I can't deny the content, brother. Got the red. Yeah, it's right here in the corner. Yeah, I want a Viper. If it was like, if the market wasn't so good, I wouldn't, but I can't say no to money. Oh, what's up? Yeah, right? I doubt none of these guys are gonna do much because raining is just a little bit. Oh well, he still did it. Those 10-speed shifts are sick, dude. Alrighty, well, brother, I think that signals the end of my day here. As the rain rolls in, I gotta skedaddle. I keep trying to leave, but cars keep coming, and I can't deny a C6. It's your time to shine, brother. There it is. Blocked by the Volvo. Come on, Grandma. They're still sticking their fists out the roof. Okay, now I'm gonna go. I promise. I promise I'm leaving. I promise.